করো 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 হ্যালো yes ma'am tell me 1:30 right just seconds yeah 1:30 you can join to the on only right just a second okay say hi once again I just send me the link I can just check it out what link I send hi Tapan okay yeah in WhatsApp
So which subject are we doing?
sorry
Which subject are we doing?
yeah this is caricature
Okay.
so this is some I explain the sketching of a human portrait to little fun way
Okay.
okay so make for circle take to new page I'm on
সাড়ে চারটের সময় আছে
sorry check for the classes
এর আগে কোথাও
okay
মানডে
মানে কখন আছে
মানডে
রাত সন্ধ্যে দিয়ে করো
3:30টার সময়
3:30 তো অফিস ছুটি করে যেতে হবে সকালের দিকে অথবা সন্ধ্যের পরে না সন্ধ্যের পরে করো
সন্ধ্যের পরে নেই ডক্টর বসে
okay make circle and just draw this line over here so this is the circle and at the circle the character showing okay watching in down part so what I'm doing after the circle just make it here in middle of circle here you can draw this for the eyes so you can go eyes like this here's the eyes line okay so you can go eyes over here these sessions we are not using the pencil or rubber randomly just sketching just random sketching okay roughly
মানডেতে 3:30 3:45 একটা থেকে নিয়ে চারটে
this is the eyes line this is the nose line okay so for example this if you have a circle like this আরে অফিস টাইমে কি করে যাবো আমি সকালে করো না রাত্রে করো অফিস আসা রাতে বা সন্ধ্যে
তারপরে বলতে
ছটা
জ্ঞানবাড়ি যাবে ডাক্তার বসে
6টা তাহলে সকালে করো
সকালে বসে না একটাই বসে 8টা থেকে 4টে অবধি বসে
আচ্ছা দেখছি now you can draw the nose here the nose okay the same line so what's the funda this is the eyes line this is nose line this is the forehead line and the same height you can take this is the chin line that is the basic funda of human portrait so when I make caricature of this any characters where maintain these things so I just take it one small line over here same height over here and create this so most touch like this in this line we can create this nose line and eyes line in this between gaps okay we are doing this the ear line like this the shapes slowly the shapes coming like this perfect ma'am perfect This is the mouth line. So can create by here. This area we can create the extra line. Usually mouth is over here, but we can add extra line for this beard. Okay, the eyes actually, this is a very small eyes, just up, eyes is down. No need to draw this full eyeballs and all those. When you can character is aged, then make the shading, this just stroke shade, like just stroke shades, like this is called the line stroke, like this. Perfect. Yeah, this line is coming. Like this, and this line is coming like this. Like this. Okay, perfect. Here after the eyes, no need to erase or using, just roughly sketching the session, this sketch session. Then explore the pencil sketch. Repeated line. For if you are doing something wrong line, you leave it. You can do again and again. When you have got the correct line, that line you do the dip. That line you draw the dip. The rest of the line is this. You leave it. So this kind of practice make you confidence. Rough sketch confidence, you know, you can get it. So all time no need to, every drawing is করো করো ডাক্তার
What is this? I mean, you've drawn few lines over here, you know, like this. What is this supposed to identify?
This is
The neck part?
neck part only, and after the neck part, here is the t-shirt. T-shirt is coming, and then one inside t-shirt. This is shirt only. That is shirt only coming. Yeah, inside t-shirt, and here also the same. You can see like this. Like this.
Understood the collar thing.
uh, yeah, held the art classes. So you got the link from this Urban Pro, or you get from link from the WhatsApp I send you, ma'am? Link is not working. Uh, yeah. Okay, can you go ahead this link in this app again and book the class now? Again, just book now directly book now. Maybe tomorrow, yeah, maybe tomorrow or yesterday when I want to schedule your class, that time it's coming error messages from my side, something happening in Urban Pro so apps. You just go and directly schedule demo class now. Now is the 147. No, you can 150 or times you can schedule class, or 155. Okay. A mobile also, laptop also. It is a both are working. Just go and schedule class. Yeah. Yeah, hobby. Whatever you are booking before, the same things you can use. You before also you booking, no? Vishwajit Roy. I'm talking the Vishwajit Roy. Yeah. Same. Go to the this app and book the class for Vishwajit Roy, and I got the info. You can do that. 55, 155 is fine. Yes, ma'am. Please, yeah. If you are comfortable, you can just go ahead now. Okay, I'm here. Thank you. So now this one screen is done. Pritika ma'am, can you share your?
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Yeah. Oh, that day you are doing the Buddha painting.
Yeah, I was
right?
applying the same concept. But
Okay.
it is not the right one, but I was just trying the concept.
Yeah. The concept is that for Buddha as well. Okay, you same concept use. No, it's work. See, it is hard for to like this one.
But this is the side one, I've done the front one.
Front one. Yeah, it's also same thing. I do the front one only. See, same height, same height, same height. Okay, 3 line. So what happened now? See here, I make this concept.
You have to make it, I've made it the round one. I have to make it like from here also.
Yes. That should be. You round. You should make this. This is much should be in half of this circle.
Okay.
Here, don't understand what is it. If it's in half circle, here should be eye should be here.
Okay.
Yes, it's actually eyebrow line, and here it should be eyes. If
Sir,
I
can you see?
yes, ma'am. Wow, that's great, beautiful, ma'am. Just here you can put some dark line. This part,
Okay.
this part only. Perfect. Yes.
This one is sweet.
Yeah, very nice. So now we are going to the next. Huh. So what I do this now here. This is the this line, actually eyebrow line. So what is happening? We are making eyebrow over here
Oh yes, I've not done that.
and down the eyes. Whatever eyes, it should be in down. This is the nose line, right? It's the nose line coming. For the stylization, you can make the eyebrow
Yeah, connected.
little connected because of Buddha, so it is stylized. So that's why we are do more. But usually human, this is
Yes.
Buddha's eyebrow like it is design kind of so making, and this is then a Buddha nose, and here to here if you divide it 1, 2, 3, 4 the same height, here to here, here to here, here to here, same height. This is the mouth position, so it is coming exactly and here the eyes line always start the ear, but Buddha ear is little bigger, So you can do the little bigger. Okay. So it is a now after that start the
Upper part.
upper part. It's coming perfectly correct. Okay.
Right,
Okay.
right.
Well, I maintain this thing.
Yes.
Okay. So